My dear students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about another flowchart. Another flowchart. That is flowchart. You please Al4C3 plus He2O. You know what is this? Recently we have sent videos regarding aluminum carbide. Aluminum carbide react with water. A. I don't know what is A. I don't know what is A. React with chlorine B. I don't know what is B. Sodium in presence of dry ether. Chlorine A to B chlorine. B sodium in presence of dry ether. We get C. Okay. Again C react with chlorine, we get D. D react with C2H5ONA, that is nothing but sodium methoxide, we get E. Again D react with magnesium dry ether E. I'm sorry, F react with water, we get G. So I don't want to give laborious exercise, just let us go. We want to simplify the flowchart. After completing this small types of flowcharts, you will be in a position to write each and everything. Okay. I already discussed aluminum carbide hydrolysis react with water, we get A. What is that A? A nothing but methane. This is nothing but marsh gas. Methane. We already discussed aluminum carbide react with water or hydrolysis, we get methane. Methane react with chlorine, halogenation. You know what are halogens? Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Halogenation. So methane react with chlorine. Here B is nothing but methyl chloride. Plus HCl. Okay. Methyl chloride react with sodium in presence of dry ether. We get, kindly keep it in mind. You go for Wurth reaction. What Wurth reaction says? Alkyl halides RH react with sodium in presence of dry ether, we get alkanes. Plus 2NaX. Wurth reaction. So alkyl halides, what I have taken? Alkyl halides, methyl chloride react with sodium in presence of dry ether, we get methyl. If you take 2 moles methyl, what we get? 2R, RR, that is nothing but C, nothing but ethane. Methyl chloride, 2 moles of methyl chloride react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether. 2 moles of methyl chloride react with sodium presence of dry ether. We get CH3, we get ethane. Cl, Na, 2 NaCl, 2 NaCl. What we want in this equation? We want ethane. In Wurtz reaction, we can prepare higher alkanes. We can prepare higher alkane. Here only one carbon is there. We can prepare 2 carbons. If you take 2, we can get 4. So using Wurtz reaction, WRTZ, a scientist name Wurtz reaction. Wurtz reaction. What is a Wurtz reaction? Alkyl halides, that is methyl chloride, react with sodium metal in presence of dry ether, we get ethane. Methyl. If they are mixed both together, what we are going to get? Methyl. CH3. This is nothing but ethane. So C is ethane. Ethane react with chlorine, we get ethyl chloride. Here D is ethyl chloride. C2H6 react with chlorine, we get ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide. That is nothing but Williamson synthesis. Ethyl chloride. Now I am going to rub this. Ethyl chloride. Sodium ethoxide, he has mentioned in arrow mark. NaO, I have written on reverse. NaOC2H5. NaCl C2H5. O C2H5. Ethyl, diethyl, O ether group. What is this? Diethyl ether. Or you can say ethoxyethane. You can say ethoxyethane or diethyl ether. Okay. So what is E here? Ethyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide. We get ethyl chloride, sodium ethoxide. NaCl react with NaCl. We don't want that one. Ethyl, O group. Diethyl, O group nothing but ether. Diethyl ether. This reaction is nothing but Williamson synthesis. So I am writing what is E. What is E? Diethyl ether. C2H5O C2H5. So E is nothing but diethyl ether. This reaction is nothing but Williamson synthesis. Again, ethyl chloride react with magnesium in presence of dry ether. We get Grignard reagent. Here F is C2H5 MgCl. You please see here. C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride, react with magnesium in presence of dry ether. We get ethyl magnesium chloride. This is nothing but alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide is nothing but in presence of, instead of alkyl, we have mentioned ethyl. Magnesium, halide nothing but fluorine, bromine, iodine. I have taken chlorine. So, ethyl magnesium chloride. This is nothing but Grignard reagent. Grignard, Grignard reagent. The most important one, Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? Alkyl halides react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. We get alkyl magnesium halide. Rx plus Mg, dry ether. We get RMgX. We can write like this. Instead of R, ethyl, magnesium pakka guarantee. X, it may be chlorine, it may be bromide, it may be iodine. Chloride, bromide, iodine. Okay. So alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether. We get alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl ethyl magnesium X nothing but chloride. This is nothing but Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. What he has mentioned? Grignard reagent react with water. What happened? The most important one, IP 2 mass. Many times it was asked. So Grignard reagent react with water. We get ethane. We get ethane. Here G means ethane. You see, C2H5O MgCl Grignard reagent react with water. I can write like this. Water. So ethyl group H. This is nothing but ethane. Ethyl plus H, ethane. What happened? Complex Mg OH here. This is not required for you. We want ethane. So whenever Grignard reagent react with water, we get alkanes. Alkane. Here ethyl, ethane. Here methyl, methane. Propyl, propane. Not only here Grignard reagent react with alcohol, ROH. Grignard reagent react with amines, RNH2. Also we get to alkanes. Grignard reagent react with water. One is water, another is alcohol, another is amines. We get alkane. Let me repeat. First one, aluminum carbide react with water. We get A, that is methane. Methane react with chlorine. We get methyl chloride, that is B. Methyl chloride react with sodium in presence of dry ether. This reaction is nothing but Wurtz reaction. We get ethane. We can prepare higher alkane. Okay. Next, ethane react with chlorine. We get ethyl chloride. Chloroethane. We can say chloroethane. Chloroethane react with sodium methoxide. Ethers we can prepare. Ethers. Ethyl chloride react with sodium methoxide. We can prepare ethers. Ethyl. Diethyl. O group is nothing but ether or ethoxy ethane. This reaction is nothing but Williamson. Again, ethyl chloride, magnesium dry ether. Ethyl magnesium chloride, that is nothing but Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide, Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent react with water. We get alkanes. Here, this is nothing but ethane. This question was asked 2 marks question in IPE. 2 marks question. This was also methanides. What we are calling them? Methanides. We get methane. So this carbide is nothing but methanides. We already discussed. So here, this is 2 marks question. What happened when aluminum carbide react with water? One is 2 marks question. 2 marks. Again, methane react with chlorine. Here, Wurtz reaction. Methyl chloride, 2 moles of methyl chloride react with sodium in presence of dry ether. We get ethane. Next, 2 marks. Ethane react with chlorine. Ethyl chloride, another 2 marks question. Ethyl chloride react with magnesium dry ether. Grignard reagent, how you prepare Grignard reagent? Ethyl chloride react with the magnesium in presence of dry ether. We get ethyl magnesium chloride. Alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl, ethyl, magnesium. Instead of X, we are taking chloride. What happened when Grignard reagent react with water? Ethane, alkanes. Here ethyl group, we can say ethane. So what happens when Grignard reagent react with water? Alkanes obtained. What happens when Grignard reagent react with alcohol? Alkanes. What happens when Grignard reagent react with amines? Alkane. I wish you all the best. God bless you.